Hello there. This is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. I have a class coming up this week and it'll be over on the blog, and just go to the navigation bar. It'll say PDF store and card classes and you'll find us there. But one of them that I designed for you uses this Velvet Meadow Suite collection in our summer catalog. Where's my thingy here? Okay, yeah. And with that, you get the designer series paper, which has like this velvet flock to it. It's really, really, really pretty, and you can feel it. And then you get three sheets of the Velveteen assortment, which is all flocky. Designer series paper. This stamp set here, I'll bring it up closer to you, and those die cuts, and those little gems there. And the colors are Daffodil Delight, Peaceful Pine, Cloud Covered, Berry Burst, Bubble Bath, and Basic Beige. Now, something like this, this is going to be a really large class. So I'm going to have a PDF video, and then, the purchase, you'll get it for free. And with each class, the values are going to be different because the classes are going to be different. It could be like a 3-class card, you make 2 of each. It could be something huge like I have coming up for you here with this Velvet Meadow. And then the next one with the Waterside Retreat, that one's gonna be really, really big too. So, again, go over to the blog under PDF store and card classes, and all the info will be right down there. And options will be underneath each class too. So the first one, again, that's going to be, I gotta split the videos up, so yeah. This is going to be Velvet Meadow, and with this, we're doing these 3 adorable boxes. And you can fit the cards that we're making, let's see if you can or not, into the box. Yeah, you can. So we are good there. So we have these 3 boxes, really, really cute, easy to make. And then we have this gift card holder. And you just open it up like this. And basically, voila, you just get a little glue dot and then pop your card on, or this can be anything else that you want it to be. So this is kind of like birthday themed a little bit, thinking of you. And so with that, we have the 3 boxes, and then that fun fold there, and then the other, we just have 7 cards. So this one is going to be huge. And again, I'll have the directions, everything written up for you, but we just have this simple one here. And then we have like an eclipse card here. And these range from, really, really easy to a little bit more complicated. Another birthday card there. This could be one too. And I always do something in the middle, but I don't put a sentiment on the inside until I know who I'm going to send it out to and what it's going to do. And then we have some tearing there and all that flock. Now, there's going to be other products that you can bring in, like the ribbon that you saw, sequins or whatever. But for things like this, I really stick to the Suite collection as much as I can. But, bring your stash and do what you want to do. So we have this adorable card here, and then this one here. So again, there will be a link underneath this YouTube video taking you right to this blog post. And then just look for Velvet Meadow, and that will be up there this weekend. And this is available to you until, the end of this month. And already it's mid-August, so I really have no idea where this year is gone. I did a video last week about, or actually 2 or 3 weeks ago, about the our paper pumpkin card alternative. I won't have one for July because that month is come and gone. I said I was done with the surgery stuff. I thought I was. I'm like 90%, but I still had like another laser coming up. So, it is oral surgery. So I've talked about this before. Anyhow, I will jump on as much as I can. And definitely by the end of September, maybe the end of this month. But I'm going to wing it. But, please go over to the blog, check out what I have on there, not on video, Instagram, Cindy B Designs over on Facebook. And always feel free to shoot me off an email or, text and whatnot. So I hope that you enjoy this really short, sweet presentation of one of my classes coming up. Have a good one, and I will see you again very soon.